Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we got a little bit of a newer model personal truck. This was one of the employees here. It's a 2008 1500 Chevrolet. We're gonna be going over this truck, pointing out any kind of flaws so you know what you're getting when you get here. This one's got a 5300. Decent looking truck. We're gonna be doing a walk around and a test drive video on this one. So be looking for both videos if you're interested in this truck. Check us out, maplemotors.com. We have finance, we have shipping. Wheels, tires, parts, and accessories are available. And if you hit that subscribe button, you can see classics posted every single day for sale. Every once in a while, we'll have a modern vehicle like this one. Okay, let's go ahead and shut this hood down. And it's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Before we take off, go look around the interior. Y'all know the horn works on this one. It's gonna be a pretty simple test drive. It does run and drive good. I've actually borrowed this truck a couple times to haul some stuff. Let's go. So we have a bad front right tire sensor. I already checked it. It's got 35 pounds in it. It's showing 1 on here. And we have a check engine light on, which is an EVAP code, is what it's coming back as. It's got 237,000 miles on it as well. All the gauges work, and we're gonna take down the road and see how she runs and drive. Pretty much everything works on this. I believe the AC even works. Let's see, wipers. We're good to go. Let's drive it down the road, see how she rides. Okay, we're taking off down the road here. Like I said, this was gonna be a, I'm gonna do a 2-in-1 video on this. We'll do the walk around and the test drive in the same video. So about halfway through this, you'll be able to see all the dents and scratches, some undercarriage shots, and of course the test drive. Everything's working on the dash as it should. Truck drives nice and smooth down the road. We're going straight. The steering's nice and tight. The brakes work good. Feel great. Motor's still pulling strong. They've already got the windows tinted on it. They've got the guards, rain guards. The interior is actually in really good shape. It's nice and clean. It doesn't look like it has this many miles on it. Even the outside's not bad shape at all. I'm still going to point out some of the flaws. It does have a dent in the front bumper and a dent in the tailgate. It's like more of a crease. We're gonna pull up over here in the parking lot and go ahead and do this walk around, get it done, do some drive-by shots with the camera, and lay the light down on the ground. We'll get you some undercarriage shots as well. If you want to see what I use to make these videos, look down in the description. I put all of my gear right there for everybody to check out. I think with the check engine light, it's going to be a sensor or like the gas cap or something. I've had to replace gas caps before on these newer models. And then of course the tire light is a bad tire sensor in the front right wheel. Let's get these shots. All right, so we're here. Let's go ahead and open the hood. And I want to show you some of the flaws on this truck. Anything that I see, I will point out. Chips, scratches, dents. The biggest thing is this front bumper's got a crease here and a crease here on the front. Coming on around the side here, we got some good tires, great tread. Running down the side of the truck. Looking for any flaws. There's a few little chips down here from the road, from the tires, kicking them up. This is a little bit out here in the corner, be glued back. Looks like here in the middle of the door we have a nice little scratch. There's a dent right here, real small crease. Great tires on the back, just as good as the front. Somebody must have replaced those. And then there's a small dent right here in the back. Been down the bed, just looking, there's some light little scratches here. I think that kind of stuff will buff out. It's just sitting on top of the paint. And you have the liner in the bed. It looks great. Spare tire, and it looks like it had a bed cover at one point. Not since he has owned it. Just kind of checking over here, make sure I didn't miss nothing. Little chip back here. Okay. Exhaust kicked out to the side there. And on the back here, we have a dent in the tailgate that I was telling you about down here as well, probably from the same accident. A spot there. I put the tag right here just for the test drive. There's also a little dent in the bumper down here in the corner. And on this side, coming down this side of the truck, we're gonna go down the lower portion just like I do. A few little road chips there in the back, real small stuff. There's a scuff right here in the back door and a crease right there in front of it. So y'all can see that in the video. Coming on down some more. What is this? There's a little dirt on there. A couple chips from the road. Now we're gonna come back the midsection here, and you can see there is some chips up here on the front. Little small stuff. Get down the middle of this door, it's in pretty good shape. Couple little chips there though. Also have some chips up here where you get in and out, and a scuff mark on that back door. So by the gas cap. I think most of these little scuffs will come out. A little elbow grease and some wax to take that out. Looks like most of it's sitting on top of the paint. Also got some little scuffs here. And looking across the windshield, right in the center, there is a chip. I think, unless that's bird crap. Looks like a chip to me right there in the center of the windshield. Real small rock wants to hit it from the road here. 5.3. Let's see, I can get you over there now. Oh, there's another one right here that I missed. Okay, let's check this interior out now. We'll go ahead and shut the hood, check over it as well. Lots of little rock chips here on the front, on the nose of the truck. The hood is in pretty good shape, other than the front of it, where all those little rock chips are. Definitely got a good look to it. And these back doors open as well. Interior is in great shape. The dash does have cracks in it. It does happen with these old Chevys. They put these cheap dashes in here, and every one of them cracked. Don't know why they would do that on an important part of the car. Little wear here on the edge of the seat, but very minimal. Headliner's in great shape. Starts up nice and easy. There's a little split right here on the interior. For the most part, it's in good shape. Let's hit it. Let's get some quick undershots, and then we'll drive over the camera with a light and head on back to the lot. Do have detailed pictures at maplemotors.com. Okay guys, let's get back to the test drive. Looks like up here on the roof we have a few spots of paint missing. Have to get that resprayed before it spreads. Okay, heading on back to the lot now. Truck drives nice and smooth. Every once in a while we get something modern like this. Right around the corner from the car lot too, so about the end of the day. I got 3 more cars left out of the whole list of 25. That'll make 50 videos this week alone. I think that's the most I've ever made. Next week I had some ideas on getting some cool shots of these old cars. I want to add them to my videos. Didn't have time this week because of the amount of cars. Speed bump here. Nice and smooth. All right guys, we're right around the corner from the lot. Gonna pull back in and call it a day. I appreciate y'all riding along with me. If you're interested in this truck, give us a call, 615-822-4444. Forgot that spare tire was back there. Sliding around. All right, see y'all later.